Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Now today I'm working on my Lazy Susan, which is simply just an old one that I've had, I can't even remember how long or where I got it. But I took it, it's just a wood one, and I painted it with black chalk paste. And then after it dried, I put some wax on it. And now I change it up. I change it up for the season, for the holiday, and just having fun with it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to get this ready for St. Patrick's Day. All right, let's go. Okay, now I'm going to show you a couple of techniques. This first one is the Ombre technique. And I'm just taking Cool Breeze on top and Thai Teal on the bottom. Thai Teal is one of our older colors. So you put it on a little bit thicker, especially in the middle, because that's where you want to blend it. And I also used a little bit of water that I sprayed on my craft mat. And with my finger, I'm just circling around in the middle to blend the two colors. Then I'm going to take the squeegee and take off the excess. Then we have the reveal, and let's see how it turned out. I always love this when you take it off. And yes, it turned out good. Yay! Okay, now this is very similar, only I call it more of a hot mess technique. You just dab a couple colors. I'm using the same colors. And then you take your finger and just circle motion around, and then you just make sure you got all the places filled up. And I take a squeegee after that, take off the excess, wipe it off with paper towel, and then see what you get. It's more of a marbling look. Now here I'm just taking emerald green, which I'm not even sure if we have this one anymore, but beware, it does stain. I had it all over my fingers. Anyway, I was just playing and having fun with this, just trying different colors and just having a good time. Kind of like the four-leaf clovers were falling off the truck, kind of leaving a little bit of luck everywhere you go. Now in here, I'm doing the luck, and I'm also using the backing sheet just to protect what I already put down there, so I wouldn't pull it up. And I'm showing you the Thai Teal, and I put the date on there when I received it. It's over a year old, and it's still working really good. So if you clean it and take care of it, it'll last you a while. Now I used these two colors and I mixed them together to make one new color, as you can see on my craft mat down there. I'm a messy crafter. Anyway, yes, that turned out really good. I like it. And because it's paste, you can wipe it off with a wet cloth or a wipey, but it dries hard, so it'll stay on there until you go to wipe it off with water. I love this stuff. It's just fun. So if you like it and you want to look a little bit further, just go to my website at chocouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And once you're there, you can browse, shop, or join. And you can also subscribe. We have a new subscription, a monthly subscription. It's awesome. Go check it out. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.